Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing y'all a few of my contact lenses that were sent to me by TTDEYE. I used to wear their lenses a lot, but then a little scandal happened. I'm not gonna go into it. If you know, you know. If you don't, you could probably find it somewhere. But yeah, I wanted to wear their lenses again and like work with them again because I thought, they apologized. I gave it like a year. So yeah, they're some of my favorite lenses from them that I'm going to be showing y'all today. I don't remember if I've done a video. I might have a long time ago, but I'm really doing a new one because it seems like they got like new packaging and stuff, and it's really cute. And they used to not have the name of the lenses on their thing, which was really confusing because I used to have a lot of them, and every time someone asked, I didn't know what lenses I had on. So right now I'm wearing Queen Gray, and then I have Polar Lights Brown, Polar Lights Blue, and Queen Blue here. So I'll be showing y'all what these look like. I believe these lenses are yearly lenses, so you can keep them for up to 12 months. I usually forget about mine and they end up drying up, and then I have to get new ones. They're not too uncomfortable, but they're not the most comfortable lenses. They're kind of on the thicker side. Like if you're familiar with like clear like prescription lenses, they're quite a bit thicker than that, but if you don't wear them for too long, they'll be fine. My eyes get pretty dry, so I can't wear them for that long, but yeah, they look really good in photos and stuff, so I do like to wear them when I'm doing my makeup and stuff. They also sent me these pretty like contact lens cases. I had an unopened package and I just opened this, and this is what was inside these two cases. I really like the blue one. It's just like a glittery, fancy case. It has the little suction thingy. Like if y'all have long nails, I don't really use them because I could still use my fingers to put my lenses on when I have nails on. They have these little tweezers, and this is what the actual case looks like. I think it's really cute, so that's nice. And the pink one looks just the same except it's pink. Looks like that. Looks like that. So that's the contact lens case. I think I'm a bit more zoomed in, but that's okay. Alright, so yeah, the lenses that I have on today are the Queen Gray ones, which are probably my all-time favorite ones. If y'all are interested in any of the lenses on their website, I've tried some of them, but I haven't tried a lot. Like, I don't wear circle lenses. I don't like lenses that enlarge my eyes because my eyes are already really big and I think they look really crazy on me, so I don't really want to try those. But if y'all have any regular like diameter lenses you would like to see me try, then let me know. My favorites are the Queen Gray, Queen Green. I don't think I have those. I really like the Queen lenses, so yeah, I guess I'll just get into me showing y'all the close-ups of the lenses now. And yeah, that was that. But also I didn't show y'all what my regular eyes look like. They're like dark, almost black. So this is my eyes without any lenses. I can't see anything right now, so hopefully I'm in focus. But yeah, so I guess I'll just continue. Yeah, if you would like to see those, then just keep watching.
still feel